Okay guys, this time I'm here. We're at the scrapyard and we got to get some parts for the vehicle club. But we bought a Ford Explorer and I have to get some parts for that Ford Explorer. And I had to make that big ride. I did find another car auction by the parking up there. I'm just gonna park where I am, I guess. So basically we do have another vehicle. I got my tool bag. I'm just gonna get set up and ready to walk in. I got my other tools thing here. We got to get a pulley with a tensioner and tail light, and like I need this rubber piece right here, rear view mirror, and maybe something else I forgot. I have a list of stuff we're gonna get, but anyways, let's get in the scrapyard, find a vehicle, and we'll put the camera back on. We got boats, guys. We got wood splitters, lawnmowers, campers. Look at these campers, man. They're pretty cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. Really nice. Surprised people scrap that stuff. Mowers, riding mowers, freezers, you name it. There's another camper. Wow, all kinds of stuff over here. They must be paying pretty good for some scrap metal. I don't know, but is it all the way up to the left, man? All the way up to the left. I found this Escape, guys, but that looks like an Explorer. We're looking for an Escape, so that's not going to help us. There's got to be 4 Escapes in here, right? Otherwise we'll be screwed. Well, the shop, the Pep Boys has the part I need, but they don't have the bolts, so I'd be really kind of screwed, guys. And what's this? There's a Ford Escape. It's got the tail light. See, I should have done a little more research on the 09 to find out what's what. See, I don't have. See, mine just has the seal. It doesn't have this. It's all rigged, guys. So I know this ain't the year that I have. Yeah, that's totally different Escape, older, an older Ford Escape. Jeez, I need to find at least an 09, 08. Okay, guys, I put that weight foam on top, so I'll be able to find this thing easy. It looks like the same motor. That's definitely a 4-cylinder. That it looks kind of just like it. Over here, real quick. You know, sometimes he says, oh, go there, and they're down here, you know. There might be a couple down here, 1 or 2. Look at these crushed cars, guys. Imagine being in here while this was crushed. That's loaded with tires. Full of tires. Same with these. Look, guys, they put tires in there, see? To crush them. I don't know if they all have tires, but, man, these things are crushed. How cool is that? Smash that like button, guys, if you like. Yeah, well, that's what are these? What are these right here, guys? Oh, just a buckle in. It's a nice back seat right there. If anybody needs an ambulance. Let's see. Oh, it's locked, guys. I don't think it could it? No, there we go. What we got here? Look at those seats, guys. You got a lift gate in the back. That's money, man. You can sell that stuff. another lift gate. Wow. Plenty of chairs. I also want to see if they have my car that I have now, the 07 Uplander. That's a Jeep, maybe a Patriot. So I know I have to head back up to the left to get my tool. There's my Jeep. My Jeep's right up there with the hood up. Hard to see. Oh, whacked my head on. Phone's starting up. My camera's starting to overheat, but here's a Ford Escape, guys. No, that's got a really good engine in it, but that's not the one we're looking for. Unfortunately, I need a 4-cylinder. I don't know what that black one is there. I don't know if this one has tail lights. We got to search everything. I don't know if it's an 09. Looks too red to me. There's no yellow. The one I got has yellow. It's the closest I've come to what I've seen inside of the... Alright guys. Still here. I did find the part that I need, but it's in a very bad spot. It's in a very bad spot. Mud, water. That's the part I need right in there, guys. I need to get that off of there. It is not coming loose. I can't even get my hand in back of there, kind of, to see how far in. It only goes about an inch, 2 inch, 1.5 inch, and there's two bolts. This is what I need, guys. I need this part here on the outside. I can't somehow can't get it. The little 10 nut that's there, it's giving me a hard time. I don't have a lot of room. I got this jab in me. If I could just pull that out. I'm gonna try to pull that out the front. It's freaking hot, guys. I mean, it's going on 1, 10, 11, 12, 1, 3 hours, guys. I'm gonna try my best. There's 2 10mm nuts. I gotta get water. I gotta take a break. Now water can't stay here that long, guys. I don't even know if this part will fit mine, but there's a styrofoam. I found a car. Kind of looks a lot like the one in the photo. I took a photo of that area. It kind of matches, so I'm thinking that's the part I need. Same type of interior here in the motor. I need water. Desperately need water. Oh my god. Of course I'm on the sun side. Beating right on me. That sucker. I got 1 bolt out. Hi, I have a 09 Ford Escape, 4-cylinder. Trying to get you guys a video. So that's an ambulance, guys. Got all the switchboards, the back cabinetry. There's a look at the cab. Now I got you rolling. There's a couple boats over here. I don't know why they would take a boat. I mean, it's got the motor. A nice Kawasaki right here. Huh. I wonder if that sucker that turns over at all. Doesn't appear to. But I did see a Ford Escape somewhere over here. I'm just gonna buy this pulley, that's all. I gotta break a 20 instead of saying I got nothing. But just in case I do need this pulley, we might be able to do something with it. So it's time to go home, guys. Trolling motor, bicycle. I don't know what he would want for that bicycle. I'll definitely fix it up, probably. But I'm kind of bummed out they didn't have what I need. Looks like a Ford, but that's a Nissan. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna shut you down and go pay for this part. Alright guys, my second battery is on 27%. Waiting for this tractor trailer to get out the way. Got the air on. Just sweating, guys. Aches and pains. Trying to, my clothes are dirty. I'm sitting on my jacket. I don't know what this guy's doing over here. Hope it don't hit me. Please don't hit my truck. So I need to get out of here. I'm gonna try to get out of here, guys. At least get long ways here somehow. Anyway, they didn't have the part. Called the parts store. They don't have it. I don't even know if that's the right pulley. I gotta see what's going on.
Yeah.